going to my favorite Thai tea place. So excited. You guys, this is probably like the best bookshop I've ever been in. I'm gonna go get a cappuccino, okay? You guys, this bag is so cool. Even though it's so hot, I put an ice pack with him, so it's nice and cool in here, which it is. So we're gonna go get him a cappuccino. So let's go. You excited?
That's a water bottle.
It's super cute. Look at this. These are cute. That is cool as hell. So cool. It's huge. Look how cute this is. How much is this one? Oh, that truck is $39.98. Yes. I like everything in this aisle. Oh my god, look how pretty those are. Christmas is like my favorite time. Look at the Grinch. Oh my god, you guys. Look how cute. That is $30. I like this
probably get
one.
something like that, eh? Decorate a place.
That's $300. Let's get this Samsung fridge. Look how pretty this is. Oh, it is. Oh, wow. Oh my god, it's so cool.
Ah, so it's just this side here.
Yeah, it is.
That is cool though.
That is pretty cool. That's yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so this is at $16.49. It's clearance. Basically looks like that. That is cool. I love that. Like that look there. Very clean. Man, this is like, you guys, this is like a mirror. See? It's huge. But yeah, I do love that you can see like inside. That's pretty cool. Like from the outside. See?
It's cool.
I think so. So you guys, this one filter ice and water, and we were trying to find where it was. As you guys can see, there's nothing there, but if you go in here, this is where it's at. I guess you just like push it and it comes out. That's cool. That's really cool. Okay, so I don't know if you're like me, but whenever I come to Lowe's, I like to see all the appliances and stuff and kind of just like manifest, you know? Manifestation. But there's some pretty cool fridges. What? That's pretty cool. Oh, these are nice mirrors.
There's like little discs on the other side.
Ooh. There is.
These are nice mirrors.
Ah. You scared me. We're just looking for some things, you guys. Because we're gonna be moving soon, so we're just like checking out some stuff. There's some pretty nice stuff. Like, look at this. These are nice. Oh, I can put like my candle in them.
Oh, you can. Big ass candle. This is pretty.
These are very pretty.
Not bad either. Do you like this stuff?
No,
What about that one right
that one no. This one I like. This I like for like my candle that I want to have like all the time.
there? Yeah, the big candle. Oh, look at this little painting here.
This is on clearance. Are these glass?
No.
Oh, plastic. Interesting.
4 of them for $8.99.
Look at that. That's $14.87. Just don't like that.
Yeah, the gold doesn't.
It's like a piece of rock.
That looks so old though.
Yeah, it does.
Look at this baby. It's only $2, these pillows.
Oh, that smells good. Ooh.
You like those?
No, unfortunately I don't. I don't like the colors. Oh look, wallpaper. From those brothers.
Look at this would be something good for our couches. This is a nice color.
It's soft. That's not bad. I don't know. Olive trees are normally like really expensive. I like that. It's got the little fake olive.
These are ones we
Damn.
bought before, huh?
Yeah, we have. We're just getting some moving boxes. Wow, they're really huge.
But when they fold up, they're pop.
Me like that. And then there's like other ones there, you guys. There's some mediums. Medium. 4. Look at that. It's all rubble.
It's cleaner too.
That is crazy. I know. Seriously. What's so crazy to me is that like it was all on flames. Damn. Guys, so we're just packing up. This is pretty much all the stuff that we've got right now. All of that. We got the boxes, the Christmas tree, the 2 suitcases. We got this today at Lowe's. So we already packed the bedroom and kitchen. So, well, like, I guess miscellaneous, but we're so excited. Think of us, so sad and slow. Why tonight not the radio? laundry in the new place, because this place that we live, we pay $12.50 a month to have 2 washers and 1 dryer in a 14-unit community. Just doesn't make sense to me. So I'm super excited to be leaving this place. Once I leave, I will tell you where I lived, but you know, I had to keep it on the wraps just in case there's weirdos out there. You know what I mean? Guys, so I'm actually at my favorite dessert place. I'm meeting Summer here. So she's one of my good friends and she loves mangoes. She's never tried this place before, so I was like, let's go here. So she's just gonna be in a couple of minutes, but yeah, I am so happy that I'm here, you guys. I love freaking mango, okay? Love mangoes like you have no idea. So if you're a mango lover like myself, you would love this place just as much as I do. Yeah, I'm just waiting for her and I'm so excited because it's mangoes. I absolutely love this place. Richard wants one, but he's working right now, so I was like, I'll get it for you before I leave. So I just did like a tour at the Specs? No. I forgot the apartment's name, but I went to the I'll put it here. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's my new apartment tour video that I just did. So Stacks, that's what it's called, Stacks apartment. So I just finished that about an hour ago. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's really affordable studio and it's definitely bigger than the 211 that me and Richard lived in. So I would say go check it out if you're planning to move to Las Vegas. If not, just enjoy this vlog because it's going to be a lot of mango. So stay tuned.
Thursday, right?
What'd you get?
It's something pomelo mango with a side of fucking hard to open container. Yeah, so it's that basically.
Cool. Alright guys, so I'm going home now. I just finished up with Sum. I loved just hanging out with her. She's one of my good friends, you guys. Oh my god, it's hot, but I got this for Richard, so looks pretty good. See? Okay, let's go home.